Echo3D has partnered up with Zappar to bring you this really fun tutorial. Zappar is an AR content creation platform, and it works perfectly because they allow you to build all kinds of AR experiences while Echo3D provides the backend service. Both have existing SDKs for Unity, so I'm going to show you how they both work together. So first things first, we've already installed the Echo3D SDK, and we've installed the Zappar SDK as well. You can tell it's going to be under packages, and you can find the instructions for installation in the README. Here at the top, you'll see that we have Zappar and Echo3D in the toolbar, meaning that they have both successfully been installed. Okay, so we're gonna go to Zappar at the top, and we're gonna go add our camera. We're choosing the front-facing camera. We're gonna create a WebGL augmented reality experience with a face tracker. Make sure that you delete the existing camera that's in the scene, otherwise you'll have overlap. And for this, we're gonna add the tracking target, which is going to be under the face tracker. Next, you're going to grab the Zappar camera game object, and you're gonna drag the tracking type into where it has the anchor origin property. Next, we're going to create an empty parent object for our Echo3D asset, which is actually a cowboy hat. So we're going to create that, and then we're gonna go look for the Echo3D hologram script and add that to the parent object. Don't forget to look in your packages folder. And anytime you're using Echo3D, make sure that you're dragging the Echo3D service prefab into the hierarchy. This is a freestanding prefab. This just enables the Echo3D SDK to work properly. Next, we're going to populate the API key and the entry ID for the Echo3D asset. Your API key is right up here, so we're going to copy that and paste it. And then we're gonna go grab the entry ID for the cowboy hat asset, which is just here to the right. And if you click on this caret, it'll reveal the entry ID as well as just on top where all the metadata is. So copy and paste that. And in this case, we're going to use editor preview. So check that box and go ahead and check ignore model transforms. You go to the top, click Echo3D and load the holograms. It will give you a preview of what the cowboy hat will look like. Make sure that you're grabbing the parent object and adjusting it accordingly. If you make changes directly to the 3D model, they won't stay, at least not right now. Okay, now that you've kind of figured out what you want the positioning to be like, you can go to the top where it says Echo3D, and you want to clear the holograms. Otherwise, you're going to end up with duplicates of the same object in your scene. The next thing we're going to do is go to build settings and then player settings, and we want to just make sure that the Zappar settings are correct. So under player, you're going to go to resolution and presentation. For Unity 2020 and higher, you can choose this, and for Unity 2019 and earlier, you can choose this. And now it's time to build. So go to build settings, make sure that you've added your scene, and it's a WebGL build, so make sure that you have that platform selected, and go ahead and build and run. Okay, the WebGL build has completed. We are building it locally. Let's see how this turned out. Okay, there's me. Where's my hat? Let's get the face tracking going. Oh, there it is.